Bianchi Theatres in Paramount, California, a premier movie-going experience. Overview of Bianchi Theatres. Bianchi Theatres is a popular movie theater located in Paramount, California. Offers a modern, high-quality cinema experience with stadium-style seating and advanced projection technology. Known for affordable pricing, special promotions, and a variety of movie selections. Location and contact information. Address 7770 Rosecrans Avenue, Paramount, California 90723. Phone 562-630-SHOW 7469. Easily accessible with ample parking and nearby dining options. Theater features and amenities. Stadium seating with high back rocking love seats for comfort. Digital projection and wall-to-wall curved screens for an immersive viewing experience. Extreme format auditorium featuring luxurious leather recliners, laser projectors, and an advanced sound system. Family-friendly environment with clean facilities and excellent customer service. Current movie showings. Screens a variety of new Hollywood blockbusters, animated films, and special screenings. Offers multiple showtimes throughout the day, including matinees and late-night screenings. Regularly updates the lineup with highly anticipated movie releases, promotions, and special deals. Super Tuesday discounts. $5 tickets for all movies, all day on Tuesdays. Rewards program, earn points on tickets and concessions for future discounts. Group discounts and private events. Available for schools, corporate events, and birthday parties. Community engagement and local impact. Family owned since 1998, Bianchi Theatres has been a key part of the Paramount community. Hosts special screenings, charity events, and film festivals. Supports local schools and organizations by providing entertainment and sponsorships. Why visit Bianchi Theatres? Affordable pricing with high-quality amenities, comfortable seating and premium viewing options, special promotions, discounts, and community-driven initiatives. Bianchi Theatres in Paramount, California offers a top-tier movie-going experience, making it a favorite destination for film lovers and families in the area.